My grandma accidentally joined my Zoom class. So I was in an online class with my camera off, just listening. Suddenly, my camera turns on, and it's my grandma. She's sitting in my chair, holding a bowl of soup, squinting at the screen like it's a magic mirror. The professor stops talking and goes, we seem to have a guest today? My grandma waves and says, "Are you the boy who fixes computers?" I died inside. The class laughed. My professor laughed. Even I laughed, after recovering from full-body cringe.
Do you want to make short videos like this without showing your face or editing for hours? Let me show you how I did it using a tool called ShortAI. It's fast, simple, and all done with AI. ShortAI is a platform that helps you create faceless short-form content using AI templates like Reddit stories, fake text messages, or dialogue scenes. It adds voice, captions, visuals, everything you need in one click. Let me show you how it works. So this is ShortAI, a super clean and easy to use website that helps creators make short videos using trending templates. It's perfect for Reddit story channels, text, drama or fake message videos, dialogue-based content, and voiceover storytelling, all without showing your face or spending hours for editing. Once you log in, here is what the dashboard looks like. You will see a list of templates at the top: Reddit story, fake texts, AI story videos, and more. Reddit stories, text conversations, YouTube dialogues, and more. Each one has a unique layout and storytelling style. Let's walk through creating a video. I'll pick the Reddit story template. We have custom script that you can build by yourself, and we have import from Reddit or TikTok, and we have AI script. Just describe your video concept to AI and it will generate it automatically. So I'm gonna use custom script. You can paste the title in here and here the video script. Just paste your video script and hit next. Choose a background style. I'm gonna use this one. Click next and select subtitle templates. I'm gonna use this one and click next. Choose a voice. They've got male, female, and even regional accents. So I'm gonna use this one and click generate video. You can preview the video right here in the browser and click on download if you want to download this video. So I'm going to click download. As you can see, the video has been done. And the best part in ShortAI is you can trim or rearrange scenes, edit text, timing or voice, add effects or background music, change subtitles style. And it's all super fast, even you've never edited before. It's very beginner friendly, and you have more popular templates here that you can discover by yourself. And once you are happy, hit export. You can download the final version and post it to YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels, or anywhere else. No watermark, no lag, no complicated software. Honestly, ShortAI saves so much time and makes it easy to post content constantly, especially if you are shy or want to stay anonymous. If you want to try it for yourself, I've added my affiliate link in the description. You'll also be supporting my channel when you use it. Let me know what kind of videos you'd build with it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed, and see you in the next one, and have a good day.